This wallet is basically a fidget toy for your cards. Meet the PUNCUBE Mech Wallet in Wasteland Abyss. Today I'm checking out the PUNCUBE Mech Wallet in Wasteland Abyss. This is not a normal wallet. It has a mechanical card reveal that feels more like a premium EDC gadget than basic storage. The body is 6063 aluminum. It's RFID blocking. And the whole design has that tactical, sci-fi look that stands out the moment you set your eyes on it. What really sells it is the action one swiping your cards fan out with that satisfying click. It's slim, compact, and built for people who like their everyday carry to be functional and fun. So if you want a wallet that looks unique and makes every card pull feel intentional, this one absolutely gets attention. It holds your cards, blocks, RFD, and looks like something from a sci-fi setup. Would you carry this every day, or is it too cool to keep in your pocket?